If your pull-ups look more like you're hanging like a dead body, then this video is for you.
But I trained for years. Why isn't my back looking massive yet?
Because my dude, most people train back like they're swiping on Tinder. Fast, half-hearted, and wondering why nothing sticks. You've probably felt this too. 6 months in the gym, but your progress pics look like the same before photo, just with better lighting. And the sad truth? The back is the muscle that makes you look huge, even in a hoodie. That V shape? That's the real armor. But most people train it wrong, and then complain like it's genetics. Point number 1. Lats equals the wings of power. Your lats are like the cape of your body. Without them, you just look regular. The best way to build them? Pull-ups. But here's the catch. Most people are just curling with their arms. When I pull, I don't just drag myself up. I drive my elbows down like I'm summoning energy. That's how the lats explode. If you're only feeling your biceps, congrats. You just invented the world's slowest chin curl. Pull with your elbows, not your ego. Point number 2, rows equals back thickness. Width is cool, but thickness? That's what gives you the 3D armor look. Rows are the move. Barbell rows, dumbbell rows, seated rows. They're all different flavors of the same protein shake. Chest up, core tight, elbows back, no jerking around. Because if your row looks like you're starting a lawnmower, you're doing it wrong. Point number 3, traps and rear delts equals the details that matter. Most lifters ignore traps and rear delts like side quests, but they're what make you look complete from every angle. Face pulls, shrugs. Trust me, nobody wants a body that screams Photoshop layer missing. Point number 4, progressive overload equals real growth. Muscles don't grow because you showed up. They grow because you give them a reason. More weight, more reps, more control. That's progressive overload. Every session, push a little harder. That's how men's evolve. That's how you unlock real strength. If you've been lifting the same dumbbell for 6 months, bro, that's not training. That's just holding hands. The back is your foundation. It's not just about looking wide in the mirror. It's about strength, posture, presence. A strong back is armor. So are you going to keep skipping back day like it's optional homework? Or are you finally going to build that beast back? Subscribe now, or your next pull-up will make you look like this.